Page number 58. Second last question. The question is, did you ever have coconut water? How did you find it? Discuss. Okay, did you ever have coconut water? Have you drank coconut water? क्या आपने नारियल का पानी कभी पिया है? Yes or no? Yes. So write down. Yes. How did you find it? आपको कैसा लगा, कहाँ से मिला? So coconut water is very sweet in taste. Okay, so write with me. Take out a pencil and start writing. Yes. Did you ever have coconut water? The answer is yes. How did you find it? Discuss. I got it from farm and it tastes sweet. And it feels very sweet. Write fast. Next question. Draw a coconut tree and discuss its in class about it. Okay, so you have to draw it. You have to draw coconut and discuss in the class about it. So right now you all are at home, so we will not discuss, but you can draw this in your rough notebook. You can draw coconut tree in your rough notebook. All right. Moving to page number 59. Page number 59. Take out page number 59. Find out in which state these languages are spoken. Language name is given and just opposite to language states are given. States are not given, we have to write the states. Okay, the language name Malayalam, Konkani, Marathi, Gujarati and Kannada. So you have to write the name of the states in which this language is spoken. So let's begin. Let's start. Malayalam. Where is Malayalam spoken? Malayalam is spoken in Kerala. So write down Kerala. Kerala. Second, Konkani. Konkani is a language which is spoken in Goa. गोवा में बोली जाने वाली भाषा ये कोंकणी. मराठी, यस, महाराष्ट्र. महाराष्ट्र. देन गुजराती, सॉरी, you all know, yes, right, Gujarat. And last is Kannada. Kannada is spoken in Karnataka. So write down Karnataka. Write quickly. Write fast. Rudra Vyas on the video. Write fast, beta. Yes? Any question? All right. Now the date is 17 May and the time is 30 minutes past 9 o'clock. 30 minutes past 9 o'clock. Now it is a night. As you all know that 9 p.m. there is a night only. We have also started packing up. The train will reach Kottayam in about 3 hours. That is where we have to get off. So now see the time is 9:30 and after 3 hours they will reach to their destination. जहाँ पे उनको जाना है वो पहुँचेंगे after they will reach after 3 hours. So right now the time is 9:30. So what time will it be after 3 hours? 10:30, 11:30, 12:30. So exactly at 12:30 they will reach to their destination. So only 3 hours are left and after 3 hours they have to get off from the train. So they all start to pack their luggage. they उन्हें पैकिंग शुरू कर ली. ऑल राइट. टू नाइट मीन्स रात को 12 बजे आसपास. ठीक है. वी विल रीच टू Valliamma's house tomorrow. We will take the bus that will take us to Ammu Amma's village. We all are quite tired. After all, we have been on the train for 2 days. What a long journey it has been. We had a lot of fun. I will put my diary away now. I will write again after we reach Ammu Amma's house. Okay, all right. Now see, tonight they will reach to this Valliamma's house. This is the name, relatives' names, Valliamma's house. And tomorrow means on 18 date. Today is 17, so tomorrow it will be 18 May. So on 18 May they will take the bus and by bus they will go to Ammu Amma's village, which is far from Valliamma's house. All right. And what they are saying that they all are tired because of long journey and they had lot of fun also. बहुत मज़ा किया. And Omana, what she is saying? She is saying that now she don't want to write the diary anymore and she keeps the diary aside. All right. Now some questions are given here. What do you call them? आप उनको क्या कहोगे? Your mother sister. Your mother sister. आपकी मम्मी की बहन को आप क्या कहोगे? Yes, you will say Mosi, right? Write down here Mosi. In local language we say Mosi, but in English only aunt word is used for Mosi and Kaki, all. Okay, only aunt word is used, but the heading is what do you call them. So we will write here Mosi. Write down Mosi. Mosi, right? Second, your mother's mothers, आपकी मम्मी की मम्मी. Yes, Nani. Write down Nani. Next, your father's sister, आपके पापा की बहन, जिसको आप बोलते बुआ और फोई. ओके, बुआ. All right. And the last, your father's mother is your grandmother, or you can say dadi also. No problem. You can also write grandmother, huh? Grandmother also it is right. Write down dadi. You can write ba also. Okay. You can write dadi also, dadi, or you can write ba. No problem. So chapter number 7 is completed, and now we will move to chapter number 8, which is part of chapter number 7. So in chapter number 8, the lesson heading is reaching to grandmother's house. So in this chapter we will discuss about the grandmother's house, what they are going to do in grandmother's house. Okay, so take out page number 6060. Page number 6060. Wait, I am going to share the screen of chapter number 8. Yes. Chapter number 8. This is the last chapter. Okay. Till chapter number 8 it will come in exam. So you have to prepare till chapter number 8. This chapter is very short. Okay. It will take only 1 or 2 lecture. Alright. Chapter number 8, reaching grandmother's house. See the time. What is the time? 17 May night, 11:30 minutes past 11 o'clock, or you can say 11:30. Okay. You can also say half past 11. You can also say 30 minutes past 11. You can also say 11:30.
30 minutes to 12.
Or you can also say 30 minutes to 12. All these are same. Fennel, don't make line. Let me Meshwa, start reading, beta. Meshwa, start reading. Start reading.
After our long spent journey, we reached Kottayam in the night. Vali Amma's house was not far from the station, and had to take two auto rickshaws to get there. By
Okay,
then,
stop. So after long train journey, they reached to their destination. The destination name is Kottayam. Kottayam. At night around 11:30 they reach. Okay. Now from this Kottayam they have to go to Valiamma's house, which is not that much far from the station, and for that they need to take two auto rickshaws. See, you can see the auto rickshaws. So by this auto rickshaw they are going to Valiamma's house. All right. Yes, continue. Meshwa, continue. Hello. Can you hear me, Meshwa? Continue.
by then I was very sleepy and did not even wait. I took a bath and slept. I thought I had just fallen asleep when Amma woke me up again. We got ready, took our luggage and went to the bus stand. Grandma's family also came with us. We were 10 people and had a lot of luggage too.
Okay. So Valiamma's house was not far from the station, and we had to take two auto rickshaws to get there. By then I was very sleepy and I did not even wait to eat anything. I took a bath and slept. I thought I had just fallen asleep when Amma woke me again. We got ready, took our luggage and went to the bus stand. Valiamma's family also came with us. We were 10 people and had lot of luggage too. Now see, here from stations they are going to bus stop. From railway stations they are going to bus stop by auto rickshaw. Now from bus stop they will go to Valiamma's house. So you can see two auto rickshaws. So total 10 people were there. There were a lot of luggage also. All right. Turn the page. Takshat, start reading. The bus.
The bus conductor came and passed me.
Yes. Now after boarding the bus, after get into the bus, Amma took the ticket for all. Amma ने सबके लिए टिकट ले ली. Okay, because without ticket you cannot travel. Okay, you cannot even go to 1 or 2 kilometers away from your place without ticket. But ticket is must. So here also bus conductor came. As soon as they get into the bus conductor came to Appa and Appa bought the tickets for all. सबकी टिकट ले ली. We managed to get seats. सब ने अपनी जगह भी ले ली, बैठ गए बस में. ठीक है, चलो पढ़ो आगे.
As it grew long, the bus got very crowded. People were sharing the seats. We also had seats
Okay. Okay. Now what happened? As it went on, the bus got crowded. Bus got crowded means many people were getting into the bus. Okay, सीट्स कम थी, लोग ज़्यादा अंदर आ रहे थे. So in this case, what the passengers are doing, they are sharing their seats. एक सीट पे दो बैठ रहे, ठीक है, ऐसे जगह दे रहे हैं. So people were sharing their seats. We also had to share our seats. Okay, so limited seats are there in bus. If you see 52 or 55 seats are there, and if suppose 70 people are getting into the bus, so for remaining passengers we need to share our seats. So same condition happen here. On one seat two people are sitting. Okay, yes, continue Taksat.
After a long ride, the boat reached the last stop. I was happy to be off. My legs I could hardly stand.
Yes, now after a long ride, because 2 days they had spent in train, so after a long ride finally they reached to their destination. Okay, he was very happy. Why he was very happy? Because he was going to his grandmother house, so he was very happy, but his leg were stiff and he hardly could stand. ओके, मतलब वो बहुत थक चुका था. ओमानास जो फैमिली थी, इवन ओमाना ऑल्सो. ओके, शी वॉज वेरी टायर्ड. वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ लॉन्ग जर्नी. कंटिन्यू.
I thought that we had finally reached the end, but no, our final land
Okay. Now, okay. Stop. Mute yourself, Taksat. Okay. Now here the interesting thing is all these people, what they thought that they have reached the final destination. उन्होंने क्या सोचा कि आज तो हम पहुंच ही गए, हमारा लास्ट स्टॉप आ गया है. पर ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं था. At the bus stop, at the last point when they get down, जब वो उतरे, at that time they get down near a water side. पानी का जो किनारा था ना, नदी का किनारा या कुछ, वहाँ पे उतरे थे वो. And from there someone point out कि हमें यहाँ पे नहीं वहाँ पे जाना है. Means they are living on the other side of water body. किसी नदी के दूसरे किनारे वो रहते होंगे. That's why you can see the boat here. Can you see the boat? So they all are going to other side of the river, and to cross the river we need boat, right? See, I thought that we had finally reached अमोमास विलेज. क्या सोचा कि हम पहुंच गए हैं, पर बिल्कुल वो रॉन्ग थे. बट नो, our travel had not ended yet. The bus had dropped us by water side, because bus cannot go through the water. बस पानी में नहीं जा सकती. सो बस वालों ने क्या किया, उसको नदी के किनारे पे उतार दिया. And from that side they have to take the boat to reach the final destination. Look, Amma pointed across the water, that is where we have to go. और अम्मा ने क्या pointed किया कि देखो हमें यहाँ नहीं वहाँ पे पहुँचना है. मतलब वो लोग या तो जो गांव था वो पानी के उस पार होगा, राइट? चलो, जेनी जॉक्सी स्टार्ट रीडिंग. First unmute yourself, Jenny Choksi. Jenny, unmute yourself.
सर आपने मुझे अनम्यूट किया.
Sorry. Now, okay. Okay.
मन कैसे?
Start.
क्या पौधे एकदम खबर नहीं क्या पढ़ते होगा करने के लिए मुझे आवाज नहीं सुनी है.
Okay. Listen. You have to read from here. You have to read from here. यहाँ से पढ़ना है. चलो. Just then I saw a boat coming. Start reading. अरे जेनी, unmute yourself. Okay. All right. Now you can start.
Then I saw a boat coming. There is a fan of my
Ferry, not fair. Amma said immediately.
A big
Crowd
of people started getting off. Children, men, women, all with their
own packets and luggage.
packets and luggage. Amma
Explained
that the
ferry
was used by people to cross the water and reach to the other side.
Okay, stop. Mute yourself. Okay, now see. Just then I saw a boat coming. Okay, what woman is saying कि मैंने एक बोट को आते हुए देखा. There is the ferry. Amma said immediately a big crowd of people started getting off. School children, men, women, all with their own packets and luggage. Amma explained that the ferry was used by people to cross the water and reach the other side. Now in the picture you can see, okay, this is not a boat, this is the ferry. And why ferry is used? Ferry is just look like a boat only, but it is bigger in size. Okay, lot of people can travel at a time. So ferry is like a boat only, just bigger than boat, a lot of people can travel at a time. So what Amma said immediately be ready, we have to now board this ferry and we have to reach the other side of the water. All right, चलो आगे पढ़ो. Okay, I will read, no problem. As soon as the ferry got empty, the big rush started from the other side. Everyone had to pay the fare before getting on. Very soon, the ferry was full and it started off again. Now what happened? जो फेरी थी ना वो लोगों को लेके आ रही थी. जैसे वो लोग नीचे उतर गए, खाली हो गई, तो दूसरे लोग उसमें चढ़ने लगे. Now, before getting into the ferry, same as bus, we have to take the ticket also. Without ticket you cannot carry, you cannot travel. बिना टिकट के इसमें आप नहीं चढ़ सकते. So that's why you need to pay for this, right? And then you can go inside. Without ticket you cannot go inside. I managed to get a place to stand along the railing. I saw rippling of still water as the ferry moves. It was moving smoothly on the water. There were rows of coconut trees on the banks of river. As we moved swiftly, I could see people fishing, washing, bathing and working along the banks. ओके क्या कहा है कि जैसे हम जा रहे थे तो वहाँ पे हमने बहुत सारे कोकोनट ट्री देखे. कुछ लोग फिशिंग कर रहे थे, कुछ लोग वॉशिंग कर रहे थे, कोई नहा रहा था, कोई काम कर रहा था. एंड देयर वर लॉट ऑफ कोकोनट ट्रीज ऑन द बैंक ऑफ रिवर. जहाँ पे समुद्र का किनारा होगा वहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे कोकोनट ट्री मिल जाएंगे. तो यहाँ पे भी सेम आपको सीन दिखाया गया, कहा गया है. ऑल राइट, टर्न द पेज, पेज नंबर 62. पेज नंबर 62. Just before the sun disappeared. Yes, Rudra, tell me.
सर मैं पढ़ूं?
Yes, पढ़ो.
Just before the sun
Disappeared.
disappeared into the water, the ferry reached the descent and stopped. It was time for us to get off the raft. We reached Ammukamma's home. What a long
Yes,
and
Okay. Just before the sun disappeared into the water, the ferry reached the island and stopped. It was the time for us to get off. At last we reached Ammuamma's place. What a long and interesting journey it had been. So finally they all reached to Ammuamma's house. ठीक है, लास्ट में पहुंच ही गए. And it was long journey, long and interesting journey. Now some questions are given here. The first question: Omanas traveled by different kinds of modes, and after she got down from the train, can you remember what these were? ट्रेन के उतरने के बाद, ट्रेन में से उतरने के बाद ओमना ने बहुत सारे ट्रांसपोर्ट बदले यहाँ पर. ठीक है, तो उन ट्रांसपोर्ट के नाम लिखने हैं. ओके, हु विल टेल मी द आंसर? हु विल गिव मी द आंसर? यज्ञा. ट्रेन से उतरने के बाद कौन से ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज़ किए? ऑटो रिक्शा. देन यस तक सर.
ना ferry sir, ferry.
ऑटो रिक्शा, बस एंड फेरी. हाँ, ऑटो रिक्शा was used by them from railway station to